Okay, so you know I'm always doing something. I'm in Rockville, Maryland. I have 20 minutes before I need to be at my next meeting. I just dropped the package off at FedEx, and while I was driving by, I saw something that said Gourmet Bazaar. So I looked it up. Doesn't really have a TikTok presence, so I don't know. So then I said, let me hit Google. I hit Google. It says that it's Persian and Mediterranean food, so you can grab and go. And it's a grocery store, so why not grab and go something? I think I never had Persian food. And did I mention that I think one of the cashiers or one of the employees, they just got McDonald's delivered, so I don't know if that's a good sign or not, but try it anyway. Let's go. Okay. Now I'm just looking at stuff. If I don't hurry up, no, I only got 20 minutes. This is what we're looking for. Okay. They got pizzas. Saffron ice cream. I know what I should do. Rice. Let me get a pizza. I can just order with you. Oh, can I do the chicken kebab with the rice? The heck did we just buy in this big hole bag? Okay, one, I'm running late because they're cooking this food fresh. And two, what the freak did we order? What is this? What is this? Oh, wait a minute. Should I be turning it that way? Ah! Okay, wait a minute. Let me... Girl, what did we order? Okay, so that's the sauce. A little cucumber salad, which I love. And this is the chicken rice. This is too stinking cute. It was $15.89. I'm running late, so I'll taste it for you when I get to my desk, because I gotta go. I'm back in the office, so the rest of this is going to be a voiceover. I guess maybe this is to keep everything cool or hot or fresh. I don't know. It's a really cute carrying case. Everything was still steaming hot when I got there. I'm not a big sauce pourer over. I'm more of a dipper, so we're going to use a little bit of the white sauce just so we can taste everything. Just a little taste. Can somebody tell me what this salt is? I did sprinkle a little bit on there. Even the silverware was nice. So for this first bite, we need a little bit of everything going in so we can let the flavors marinate. It was so freaking good. The chicken was good. The sauce was good. I'll definitely be back to Gourmet Bazaar because I want to try that lamb. So if you have any suggestions on what I should try, please let me know because this was too freaking good.